Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 438. So what we have planned for copper, around 428 we bought copper, and the price yesterday opened here 438. We thought it will go near 441 where we can book profit and exit from the market, but what happened, right after the opening the price didn't move up, it continuously fall and take support near 432 and close near 433. To take us with the surprise, today's price opening is expected to be near or below 427. So it's going to be a big drop, gap down opening for copper market on the basis of COMEX direction. What we can do today, that is a major thing when you go against the trend. The trend is down and we try to pick at the bottom. Now we are stand, we need to plan accordingly. So what we feel is, let's stick on to our previous plan. Let's see when the price is coming near 422, 423. Let's go for buying by placing stop loss near 420.5. This is going to be the last buying plan we will be having some confidence at 422. So we hope that the price will put a stop here for a consolidation. It is a continuous selling. If that is not going to happen, then based on the price action we will re-enter into trade. So this normally happens when you go against the trend. We had made a sufficient profit, so we try to go against the trend. Now we could not continue the trend. So let's see how the market is going to play today. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.